Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down something every driver should know: exhaust smoke color explained, what it means and how to fix it. Exhaust smoke can tell you a lot about your engine's health. So if you ever see white, blue, black, or gray smoke, don't ignore it. Today, I'll explain what each color means, the causes, and the best fixes you can do at home or at a repair shop. So let's jump right in. Before we talk about smoke colors, you need to know the difference between normal exhaust vapor and problematic smoke. On cold mornings, your exhaust may release thin white vapor. This is normal, just water vapor from condensation and heat. But if the smoke is thick, continuous, or has a strong smell, that's a sign of a problem. Now let's break down each smoke color and what it means. Thin white smoke on startup is normal and should disappear in a few minutes. Thick, continuous white smoke means your engine is burning coolant. This usually indicates a major issue like blown head gasket, cracked cylinder head, damaged engine block, coolant leaking into combustion chamber. Check coolant level. Perform a cooling system pressure test. Get a mechanic to inspect head gasket. Avoid driving long distances. Overheating can ruin your engine. Blue smoke indicates your engine is burning oil. This means oil is leaking into the cylinders. Common causes: 1. Worn piston rings. 2. Valve seal failure. 3. PCV valve clogged. 4. Turbocharger oil leak for turbo cars. How to fix it? Replace the PCV valve. Cheap and easy fix. Check oil level and maintain. For worn piston rings or valve seals, gives mechanic repair. Turbo cars, inspect turbo oil lines. Black smoke means your engine is burning too much fuel. This is a rich fuel mixture problem. Common causes: clogged air filter, faulty fuel injectors, bad MAF sensor, ECU sending too much fuel, leaking fuel pressure regulator. Fixes: clean or replace air filter, clean fuel injectors, clean MAF sensor, check for vacuum leaks. For diesels, give ZG or valve cleaning. Here's a quick summary to help you identify the problem fast. Take a screenshot and keep it handy. Exhaust smoke is one of the easiest ways to diagnose engine problems early. If you notice unusual smoke, don't ignore it. Fixing it early can save your engine and your wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more car maintenance videos. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and see you in the next one.